What estranged children often want, and why giving more doesn't always repair it. Section 1. The question that won't leave you. There is a question many estranged parents quietly carry. If I just give them what they're asking for, will this fix it? If I apologize more clearly, if I take more responsibility, if I stop defending myself completely, if I give them more space, will they come back? It feels logical. When someone says they need something, love responds by giving it. But estrangement is rarely resolved by logic alone. Section 2. The surface requests. Estranged children often say they want an apology. Not a short one. Not a qualified one. Not one that explains your side. A full acknowledgement. Sometimes they want validation. To hear your feelings make sense. Sometimes they want space. Months. Years. Distance without pressure. Sometimes they want changed behavior, new boundaries, different communication, or even the removal of someone from your life. And many parents try. They truly try. Section 3. When you give what was asked, you give the apology. You sit in discomfort. You resist defending yourself. You say, I hear you. You give space. You stop calling. You stop explaining. You wait. You attend therapy. You read books. You examine your past. And yet, nothing changes. No return call. No softening. No shift, and confusion begins to settle in. Section 4. What they may really be wanting. Because often, the request is not the real request. Beneath the apology is a longing for emotional safety. Safety that feels consistent. Safety that feels predictable. Safety that feels permanent. And sometimes, they are not sure that safety is possible with you. Not because you are dangerous, but because their memory of pain feels louder than your present effort. Some estranged children are not trying to repair the relationship. They are trying to regulate their own unresolved hurt. And distance can feel like control. Distance can feel like protection, even when reconciliation is offered. Section 5. The moving goalpost. This is where many parents begin to exhaust themselves, because when you give what was asked, the request sometimes shifts. More time, more proof, more demonstrations of change. The goalpost moves, not always from manipulation, often from unresolved internal conflict. But if you keep giving without mutual effort, you begin to shrink. You begin to disappear. You begin measuring your worth by whether they respond. And reconciliation cannot be built on self-erasure. Love is not proven by depletion. Section 6. What calm dignity truly means. Calm dignity does not refuse responsibility. It accepts it. It reflects honestly. It corrects what can be corrected. But it does not beg endlessly. It does not chase someone who is running. It does not perform emotional penance without end. If reconciliation comes, it will not come because you emptied yourself trying to earn it. It will come when both hearts are ready. And readiness cannot be forced. Until then, you remain open. You remain steady. You remain whole, because giving more is not always the answer. Sometimes steadiness is. And that is calm dignity.